Hello everybody, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I just started a brand new series called Universe Sandbox Mini Experiments. So before we start this series, I would just like to thank you for 100 subscribers. You guys have shown me a lot of support over the last 2 months, or even back then when I only had like 15 or 16 subscribers and I was inactive. Then I came back because I had a vision to become a YouTuber. Now, and continue with me in this journey to 1,000 subscribers. That's the next milestone. So now, this is a new series called Mini Experiments. So how this will work is that I will be experimenting with each of the planets in the solar system, or even non-planets that are not in our solar system, or stars that are not in the solar system, and the solar system in general. So now we're going to be starting the mini experiment now. The first mini experiment is now we're going to be going to the Earth, and we are going to be telling you what I will do. So for this mini experiment, Earth is going to have rings now. So now I'll be giving a ring. So you just go to the ring section, click on this, on ring 2 to 4 radius, and then click on the Earth, add ring to the Earth. Earth now has rings now. As you can notice, Universe Sandbox doesn't simulate rings as good as Space Engine and even reality. As you can notice, the Earth's rings are just particles, no gas or dust at all, unlike Space Engine or Universe Sandbox. So this is what Earth would theoretically look like in Universe Sandbox if it has rings. It's stable right now, but here's the thing. As with Earth having rings, I will be telling you stuff that won't be simulated. First of all, if Earth had the rings, it will act like if it's a moon, like our moon. It will reflect light in the night sky, which will cause night skies to be even brighter than a full moon. So if you think stargazing was bad enough already in the full moon, just wait until you see the Earth getting rings, and then you will not be able to stargaze like properly at all. You have to wait until like the, Actually, since the rings are literally everywhere, stargazing in general is hard completely. So now, the ring is also going to eclipse a lot, like so much, meaning a section of the Earth will be in darkness for some time, as the rings are just around the Earth. It's not like the moon were just one place, it's everywhere now. So now there'll be a lot of eclipsing everywhere. So that's what happens if the Earth had a ring. This will be what it simulates for Universe Sandbox. And I made some showcases with planets that have rings, and you may see what the rings look like in Space Engine, and the rings in Space Engine look like the rings in real life. So that's the Earth. Now we're leaving the Earth and doing another experiment with the Sun now. Just like the previous two Universe Sandbox video. Now, the Sun, instead of replacing it with a star, the Sun is going to be replaced with a black hole, which is the same mass as the Sun. So I'll just click it in 3, 2, 1. Now the Sun turned into a black hole. Theoretically, the Sun isn't able to turn into a black hole because black holes can actually form if a star dies in a supernova. It may form a pulsar, but sometimes it forms a black hole. But theoretically, the Sun cannot explode into a supernova. It's not big enough. It's just a yellow dwarf star, so there's no chance the Sun's ever going to explode into a supernova. Let me time-lapse it for a second. Since the black hole, as the Sun, does not emit any light, luminosity, or like anything, no heat at all, you may notice that all the planets are cooling down very fast. This is just 1 month a second, and you may see as Earth is cooling down very rapidly, all the other planets are cooling down as well, and they will eventually reach negative 270 degrees Celsius. So continuing, going down is now negative 50. Theoretically, this will take a long time because I can't go faster than this, see? So I'll just be telling you that I'll just be ending the video once this will reach negative 100 degrees Celsius. So anyways, thank you for watching the first mini experiment. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to click on the sub button down here. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye, everyone. Now we're going to be waiting until the Earth goes down to negative 100 degrees C. I'll be popping up the end screen. Continuing to wait. I mean, the oceans are freezing now. When the Earth is now negative 100 degrees C, the end screen will come up. Now you should click on a video here and a subscribe button and subscribe to the channel right here. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you again very soon. Bye!